Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to replace low beam headlight bulb on Mitsubishi Lancer 2008 and up in 5 easy steps. First, lift the hood to see behind the headlights. We'll replace the bulb from the right headlight, but it's the same procedure for the one on the left side. Then twist the light bulb counterclockwise to be in a vertical position to take it out. Then disconnect the cables from the headlight bulb. Now you can see this is a 12 volt 51 watt HB4 headlight bulb for low beam that you can find it in the video description below. Don't touch the bulb with your bare hands, otherwise you'll short the life of the bulb. Connect the new headlight bulb to the cables. Install the new light bulb back on the headlight and then twist it clockwise to be in the oblique position. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.